How to trim and cut video in CapCut PC. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to trim and cut video in CapCut PC. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. If you are editing a video for your YouTube channel or any other social media platform and you need to trim it or cut it at a specific place, then follow my steps. As you can see, I have a video in my CapCut timeline just as an example for this tutorial. Let's say I need to trim this video. I can simply click and hold the end of the clip and then drag it from the right side towards the left. You can do the same thing from the left side of the clip as well. This way, you can make the video shorter and keep only the part you want for your final edit. Now let's cut the video using a simple keyboard command. If you can't trim the clip or you want to cut it instead, just place the playhead on the exact part where you want to make the cut. Then press Ctrl+B on your keyboard, and the video will be cut. I'll move the playhead again, press Ctrl+B one more time, and then delete the parts I don't need. Now I'm left with this clip in my final edit. That's all for the video.